5 intelligent ways to repair a toxic relationship. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video will be talking about the intelligent ways to repair a toxic relationship. When your relationship with your partner is toxic, you do not enjoy a moment of it. Your emotions are that much destroyed, making you want to get out of your marriage. How would you define a toxic relationship? When there is no decency in your relationship, it is toxic. When your partner needlessly degrades you, he or she is being toxic. When there is constant verbal and physical abuse, you are in a toxic relationship. When there is no respect for your emotions and feelings, your relationship is toxic. You feel suffocated by the toxic attitude, toxic behavior, and toxic body language of your toxic life partner. In actual fact, toxicity happens in a relationship only when both do not understand that degrading, abusing, and mutual mudslinging will not help your marriage in any way. Shall we now look at the 5 ways to remove toxicity from your relationship? The number 1 way to remove toxicity from your relationship: do not take everything personally. When you take literal meaning to whatever your partner tells you, you will only construe wrong meaning into each and every word he or she utters. An innocuous word from your partner is enough to make you feel terribly wounded and insulted. You must not react immediately if you find the interaction of your partner disliking to you. Your partner might be undergoing tremendous work-related pressures or some outside pressures. So, without really intending to hurt you, your partner might utter words just to vent out his or her suppressed feelings. It is very true that your partner cannot treat you like a punching bag. But if you look back, you will see that there are times you too utter unintentional hurting words to your partner when you are stressed and tensed. So, do not construe too much of hurtful intentions in the words of your partner. So, do not make much ado about the situational anger of your partner. It is only natural that you feel angry against your partner when he or she hurts you. Do not also turn your relationship toxic by storing anger and hostility against your partner. It will do your relationship a world of good if you forgive your partner for what hurt he or she made you feel. The number 2 way to remove toxicity from your relationship: sort out issues with your partner immediately and instantly. Most of you make the mistake of converting your mind into a storage of hatred and hostility against your life partner. When you do so, you'll have the wrong image of your partner as a person out to destroy all your happiness. It is common to face many relationship issues in your married life. It is also natural that you will feel hurt and wounded by the behavior of your partner towards you. Many incidents in your relationship make you feel emotionally destroyed that you have married a wrong person. When you continue to store resentment against your partner, it will automatically convert your married life highly toxic. This is the reason why the differences you have with your partner should be cleared as soon as it crops up. When both sit together to sort out your relationship issues, you feel a lot less resentful against each other. When your partner conveys his or her stand to you, you understand his or her viewpoint much better. When both understand the viewpoint of each other, it clears the cloudy and toxic atmosphere in your relationship to let in the rays of happiness and contentment. The number 3 way to remove toxicity from a relationship: understanding that your partner can never be you. You often want your partner to be according to your dreams. Naturally, your dreamy expectations about your partner will always be according to your own likes and dislikes. When your partner does not live up to your expectations, you feel emotionally destroyed. When your expectations about your partner does not happen, you feel totally unhappy in your relationship. Whatever your partner does seems to be against you. In your utter disappointment, you feel that your partner is not the person for you. When you want your partner to act according to your liking, it will never happen. On the contrary, it will only turn your relationship highly toxic. You must understand that your partner will be completely different from you, just like you are totally different from him or her. Unless you accept your partner for what he or she is, you'll only feel unhappy in your marriage. So, do not give too much importance to your disappointments. Do not also expect a perfect marriage, as it does not exist anywhere in this world. The number 4 way to repair a toxic relationship: do not act submissive and meek to the domination of your life partner. When you're too submissive to the domination of your partner, you'll continuously be controlled by him or her. When you stay silent and voiceless to the unwanted way your life is decided by your partner, it will turn your relationship too toxic for you. When you allow yourself to be dominated by your life partner, your independence is lost forever. When your independence is plucked from you, you'll definitely feel jailed in your relationship. When you feel jailed in your married life, your relationship will eventually turn toxic. No one will stand up for you if you do not stand up for yourself. You are not a slave to your partner. You married your partner to enjoy equal rights in your relationship. When you act confidently, your partner will understand that you cannot be tossed around. You should be assertive enough to tell your partner that you will not submit to his or her domination. You too should do your things your way without acting too isolated from your partner. The number 5 way to repair a toxic relationship: foregoing your ego. When you're too adamant in your stand, whatever your partner does will seem toxic to you. When your partner is angry, you react with hostility and withdraw further away from him or her. You become so bitterly angry against your partner that you stop interacting with him or her. When there's no interaction between you, the atmosphere in your home becomes ominously silent and uneasy. You're not living with an enemy that you should act egoistic towards him or her. Forgive your partner. So, forget the hurt you felt. Forgo your ego. These are some simple ways to drive away toxicity right out of your relationship. Your married life feels happy to you only when there's no toxicity in your relationship. When you or your partner are adamant, what the other does will feel poisonous and toxic. When you live through your married life without removing the toxicity it suffers from, your relationship will be destroyed. If only you and your partner put combined efforts to drive away the toxic fumes from your relationship, you can easily save your marriage. Did this video make you understand the repairing steps you should take to drive toxicity out of your relationship? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.